Welcome to the video, and in this video we will be learning about strings. So string represent basically text in JavaScript. These are like combinations of sequence of characters. And how to create string, just let start with let string. Str is the shortcut for string, so we don't need to write full string every time. We can initiate or initialize strings by writing str. So let's str is equal to double quote bracket and hello world, and in console.log we have to like put string in the bracket and close. Okay, this will give create our string. Now जितनी भी स्ट्रिंग्स होती हैं, सारी की सारी स्ट्रिंग के पास इनबिल्ट प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं एंड फंक्शंस होते हैं, एंड जो इनबिल्ट प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं स्ट्रिंग्स के, उन्हीं को हम स्ट्रिंग मेथड्स कहते हैं. एंड स्ट्रिंग मेथड्स हो गए, स्ट्रिंग लेंथ हो गया, स्ट्रिंग इंडिसेस हो गए. सो दिस आर स्ट्रिंग मेथड्स. सो दिस स्ट्रिंग लेंथ इज स्ट्रिंग मेथड, वन ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग मेथड. And how to like write syntax for string length is str.length. Okay, now full string indexing. This helps us to access character. This indicates the positioning or the location of the character or string. So these are the like string O. This will like if we are here, this is string 1 2, sorry, this is whole one string. If we have written like in another like comma deke bracket में like anything JavaScript, so this will be at string 0 and the JavaScript will be on string 1. So this is the another method, and this is the way to write like string in compact way. This will I will show you on VS Code practically, so don't worry about that for now. And this is the syntax for interpolation, dollar symbol and expression. This will also be like I will also like explain this much in detail on VS Code, not here, because this is practical thing. We can't like understand this well on theory or slide page. And these are just few things like escape characters. We will see it on VS Code now. So I have already written code so that we don't waste time on our like video, and I will remove it. You can take screenshot of this codes. You can like try it on your folder. Firstly, let me make it string in index.html file. Now, okay, there is s after sorry. So in strings, firstly, this is how we create string. Let me make it a little bigger. Yeah, you guys can see it like more visually now. This will be more visible to you now. So let's string is equal to bracket. Sorry, yeah, Abhishek Sharma, console.log string. This will give Abhishek Sharma as output, and I am creating more strings over here. Like string 1, I am posting BTech in CSE. I am creating another string. We have to like give different str1, str2, so that we can get different values. So my full name is Abhishek Sharma. String.length, this is one of the string method I have told you in the slide. And console.log string.length, this will give the string length of this string Abhishek Sharma. Okay, now string 1.length, this will give the string of string 1. This will give string length of string 2. Now console.log string O like 0, string.log string 5, console.log string 1 2, like this both are of string str, and this is of str1. So this will give the positioning with whatever letter is available at 2 in string 1, and this will give the data for output as of 0 and 5 positioning of string, this one. And this इसका 0 and 5 का देगा, and string 1 का what was string 1 second. This will give the output as whatever letter is available at position second. Okay, I will also show the output, so don't worry about that. And this is the template string. This is the syntax of template string, like let special string single bracket Abhishek Sharma is pursuing BTech Computer Science, and this is that string interpolation expression, dollar and curly bracket, which is basically block. And we have written some data that we have started our program in 2023 and it will end on 2027, and just close, and then we will print it console.log special string. And escape characters like /n, t, they are like different things. /n, this helps to go to the next line, and this creates tab space like back. This is backslash, no, this is front slash. So front slash n, this will help us to go to the next line. This will help us to create tab space. So console.log Abhishek Sharma CGPA, console.log Abhishek Sharma is pursuing. See here, this will like Abhishek Sharma is pursuing BTech CSE, and we have given escape character here /n. So now, and his current CGPA is 8.8, 8.5 will go to the next line. In the first line there will be Abhishek Sharma is pursuing BTech in computer science, and in the second line there it will be showing, and his current CGPA is 8.5. And now Abhishek Sharma is pursuing same. I have like copy pasted thing, like I have copied this here, and I have given tab space in place of line next line wala thing. Okay, so this will also give different output. Let's string 3 Abhishek Sharma, and I have given tab space console.log string 3 dot length. I am also like counting string length here, and is counted as 1 in string. Okay, so don't think that this will counted as 2, this will counted as only 1, because it is a one thing in JavaScript. So this is something like you have to be like careful about this. And now, okay, we have to like go through this code only. You guys can take screenshot. Yeah, now forget about string method, this thing I will like make another video on string methods, so take screenshot of this thing. Yeah, and you guys can like do this in your device, and you can check if it is working for you or not. So let's go to the output, which is really important. We will be inspecting our like code, console.log c 15. Okay, so we are like console.log string. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 space is also counted. Okay, 10 11 12 13 14 15 15, we got 15 here. This is total 26. Okay, and let me okay. All set. Now, and string 1, this is line number 7. So where is I'm okay, sorry, this was just creating string. So we created string Abhishek Sharma, we got here Abhishek Sharma. We created string 1 as I am pursuing BTech in computer science. Sorry for that mistake. And string 1, I am pursuing BTech in computer science. So here my full name is, see, you can see. Yeah, now we are like going to string length. and see, we have calculated the string length of str only. So in this I have told you that there are 15 things. So 15 are like string 1, 26, string third. Where is string third? String 1, 2, 2. Yeah, in like string 2, there are 31 string length. Now we are done with that, and now indices like string 1 में 0 पे क्या है, तो string 1 में in str at 0 there is a, we got a at 5, 1 2 3 4 5. What was, where's string indices? Okay, str 5. Okay, we have to count from 0 to 5 now. 0 1 2 3 4 5. At 5 we got h, see, small h. At string 1 at index 2, where is, yeah, 0 space is also counted. So 0 1 2 we got a, we got small a. Done with string index, done with string length, where's done with string index, done with string length, and done with creating string. Okay, three things are completed. Now let me let's remove this. This is the output. No, now line 29. Let's come to the template thing. So let's special string, we have created this string c, we got this string, and this have like calculated this thing -4. So this is the simple way to create like string if you are having so many like some other expression inside your string. So template strings are used in that case. Now we come to space sorry, escape characters. Firstly we will be seeing about moving to next line, that is /n. So Abhishek Sharma is pursuing BTech Computer Science /n, and his current CGPA is 8.5. See, we got it here. Abhishek Sharma is pursuing BTech CSE, and we got, and his current CGPA is 8.5. This got moved to the next line. This is not with after that. This is in the next line. And now tab space. We are again seeing Abhishek Sharma is pursuing BTech CSE, tab space, and his current CGPA is 8.5. See, we got here some space. Can you see Abhishek Sharma? Let me move it here. Yeah, Abhishek Sharma is pursuing BTech Computer Science, and there is space, and his current CGPA is 8.5. Now here we have written Abhishek Sharma tab space and CGPA is 8.5, and for that the string length is 27. Count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Tab space is considered as 1, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 23 24 25 26 27. So yeah, we got 27 over here. So we will be learning string methods in the next video. So thank you for watching, and we will surely meet in the next video.